Convergence analysis. Systems thinking. These developments create a reinforcing cycle that's reshaping the entire AI ecosystem. Infrastructure constraints drive companies toward more efficient deployment models, which accelerates the development of persistent memory systems to maximize user retention. Simultaneously, the commoditization pressure from low-cost alternatives forces organizational restructuring to achieve faster iteration cycles. The result is an industry moving toward a barbell distribution, ultra-cheap commodity AI on one end, and deeply integrated, context-aware AI systems on the other, with very little viable middle ground. Competitive landscape shifts. The convergence creates three distinct competitive tiers. Infrastructure titans like Microsoft and Google leverage compute capacity to deploy advanced models at scale. Integration specialists like the reposition Meta focus on organizational velocity to create differentiated AI experiences. Meanwhile, cost leaders primarily from China compete on efficiency and accessibility. Traditional SaaS companies caught between these tiers face strategic compression. They lack the capital for infrastructure competition, the organizational models for rapid AI iteration, or the cost basis for commodity competition. Market evolution. The intersection of these trends creates two emergent market opportunities. First, AI governance and security tooling becomes critical as enterprises navigate between cost-effective foreign models and premium domestic alternatives. Second, AI orchestration platforms that enable model diversity strategies become essential infrastructure, allowing companies to optimize across cost, performance, and security requirements dynamically. Simultaneously, this convergence threatens the viability of single-model AI service providers who can't compete on infrastructure, cost, or integration depth. Technology convergence. We're seeing unexpected convergence between consumer AI experiences and enterprise infrastructure requirements. Persistent memory systems developed for personalization become enterprise knowledge management platforms. On-device AI processing originally designed for smartphone privacy becomes the foundation for edge computing strategies that reduce infrastructure dependencies. Organizational restructuring optimized for AI development velocity becomes a template for how traditional companies must reorganize around AI-first product development. Strategic scenario planning. Executives should prepare for three plausible scenarios over the next 18 months. Scenario 1. Infrastructure consolidation. Compute constraints force industry consolidation around 3 to 4 infrastructure providers who control access to advanced AI capabilities. This creates a new category of AI cloud providers distinct from traditional cloud services, with pricing power that fundamentally alters software economics across all industries. Scenario 2. AI governance regulation. Security concerns about foreign AI models trigger regulatory frameworks that create artificial barriers between cost and compliance. This bifurcates the market into regulated and unregulated AI services, creating premium pricing opportunities for compliant providers while pushing non-compliant alternatives underground. Scenario 3. Memory-dependent markets. Persistent AI systems become so central to business operations that switching costs approach those of ERP replacements. This creates winner-take-all dynamics in AI adoption, where early choices become permanent competitive advantages or disadvantages based on the accumulation of organizational AI knowledge over time. The strategic imperative is clear: companies must simultaneously prepare for commodity AI pricing while building defensible positions around data integration, regulatory compliance, or organizational AI adoption velocity. The middle ground is disappearing rapidly. That concludes this week's AI Intelligence Analysis. I'm Joanna, a synthetic intelligence analyst. These strategic insights will help guide your decision-making in the evolving AI landscape. Until next week, stay strategically informed.